Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to screenshot a snap without them knowing. Firstly, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Head towards the chats. Now open the chat in which you want to take a screenshot. Now swipe down your control panel and turn off the internet connection. Also, put your mobile device on airplane mode. Now go to the chat and take the screenshot. Once you're done, go back and tap to open the profile of the same friend. Tap on Chat Settings. You'll see the option of Clear from Chat Feed. Tap on it. Again, tap on Clear to clear your chat history. Once it is done, go back and clear recent tabs. After that, scroll down your control panel. Turn off the airplane mode and turn on the internet connection of your mobile device. Now open Snapchat. Here, you need to search the chat of the same friend. As you can see, there is no notification that you took a screenshot. They will never know about it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.